Hey guys, Terrence back with Computers Plus in Acworth, Georgia. Don't want to get too close to your camera, right? Because the camera. Hey, we are now accepting Cash App. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. So we make it very easy, very seamless for you to get you the tech that you need. You can come in actually right here. Can do a little closer. If you like this item, what you do is you just use that Cash App app, take a picture of it, and we can get you guys taken care of like very easy, very quick. And that's one thing that we like to do, make technology easier for you. Also remind everybody of our online store where you can use Cash App and the rent-to-own program. We got this one desktop. If you're looking for a desktop under 150 bucks, this is the deal for you. This is i5, 8 gigs of RAM. What do we got on the hard drive, Kat? We got about a 250 hard drive on there. Awesome computer if you need it for school, if you need it for a small business, if you need just a computer maybe because yours is old and you're running an old software and you want a newer operating system, newer computer, take a look at this one. Great deal. We got monitors as low as $45, so that is unheard of. We got gaming PCs, so if you're looking to build a gaming PC and you want to have someone that can sit with you and talk to you and actually map things out, give us a call or walk right in. We've got 3 locations and we're ready to get you the gaming PCs you need. Cash App, you want this one? Cash App it. Or you can do rent-to-own program as well. So we got different products in here. We're getting some more in. We're getting that Christmas shipment in.